Hey guys, thank you for again tuning my channel. This is me Rai Gaurav from Buzz Earbuds, and today I'll be performing an unboxing of Acer Swift 3, and this is the 2018 edition and it is 15.6 inch model. So let's get into it. If we look at this, here is a clear box with the Acer logo in the middle, and on the left side here is some barcode, and on the bottom here is some packaging company logo, and on the right side we can see the specification of laptop. So let's look closer at it, and here we can see this is the luxury gold in color. This is run with Windows 10 Home, and it has Intel Core i7-8555U CPU processor, and this is 15.6 LCD with full SD, and it also has Intel USD graphics with 8GB DDR4 memory, and with 256GB SSD card, and it has also good camera because it is SD camera with 2 mic, and the battery is 4-cell lithium polymer battery, and you also get a free trial version of Office 365 for 1 month. So that's it. So let's remove this seal and let's see what we got in this box. Okay, I just removed the seal from it, so you can see how the laptop is placed beautifully and safely in the middle with the sponge protection. On the right side you can get a AC type charger. It's not a USB-C type charger. Unfortunately, we don't have USB-C type charger in this laptop, and here is the Acer logo, and in future maybe we will get the USB-C type charger because it's very fast. So now let's remove this sponge and look into the laptop. Okay, let's look at the laptop. Wow, I love this cool brushed aluminum body design, as well as the chassis is also aluminum, which is great, and the luxury gold color is also awesome, better than other colors. Yes, and I just recently switched from MacBook Pro 13 and it's a bit heavy than MacBook Pro, but I feel great because on this price point you get this kind of premium laptop, and I just bought this laptop at $561 from Amazon, and with the shipping charge it cost me around $610, and I feel lucky to have this one because maybe you will not get this laptop on this price now, but I will put the link descriptions so you can see the price, and if you like it you can purchase it after watching this video. Okay, so let's look at the back side also, and we have the fan ventilations where the air comes from through it, and which helps to cool the laptop. And on the both sides we have speakers, and this is not good. The Acer has make wrong awful choice for the placement of speakers, because if we put the laptop like this on the table or on the desk, the sound maybe muffled. So this is the main cons of Acer. I hope they will I hope they will make the better choice for the placement of speakers. So let's open the lid, and it's a bit difficult to open with just one hand. It will go like this, you know, so it's a bit heavy. So you can see the screen, and the screen is a 1920 into 1080 LCD display with IPS technology, and it's also not touch screen, it's just normal. And you can see the SD webcam on the top, and I love this one. The bezels is so narrow. I love this one. I love the bezels. And you can see this one is the hinge, and it can goes up to 180 degree like this. It can't go up to 360 like 2-in-1, because it's not 2-in-1 laptop. Okay, so let's remove the seal, and let's look at the keyboard. And the keyboard has Allen type with 1.3 key travel, and it feels great, and it's a bit clicky, but it feels good. And on the down we have plastic trackpad, which is not so good like MacBook Pro, but it's great. And on the right side we have fingerprint, which you can use for logging to Windows. And so let's look at the right side of laptop. And on the right side we have got a charger port and HDMI port, and two USB-C USB 3 port and USB 2 port, and one head jack port. And on the left side we get Kingston lock slot, and again this one is maybe USB-C, yeah, 3.1 generation. And this is SD card, which is great. You can directly put your SD card from the camera, and it's great. So I take this one because it has SD card and too many USB port like this, which the MacBook Pro doesn't have it. Alright guys, that's all for today. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe on my YouTube channel, which is Boz Earbuds. And I'll be back soon with the review of this one laptop after using it for some time. So thanks again for watching this video. Peace.